Welcome back to the channel. This is Altcoin Era. Hey friends, this is Ahmed. BTC is currently at $44,217. It's up 3.38%. Ethereum is at $2,271.50. It's up 2.81%. USDC is still pegged to the dollar. BNB is at $323. USDC is still at $1. Solana is at $104. It's up a whopping 6.51%. XRP is at 58 cents. It's up 0.87%. Cardano is at 56 cents and it's up 2.55%. Avalanche is at $38.73. It's up 5.15%. Dogecoin is at 8 cents and it's up 2.52%. Polkadot is at $7.89. It's up 3.14%. Tron is at 10 cents and it's up 0.08%. Matic is at 88 cents and it's up 3.23%. And finally, Chainlink is at 14.56. The top gainers are Celestia, and it's up a whopping 27%. And the 24-hour volume is 723 million. Number 2 is Terra Classic, and it's up a whopping 18.62%. Woo Network is up 16.47%. Aptos is up 15%. Beam is up 14%. Osmos is up 13%. Mint Layer should be on the list, but it's not here. The speculation is heating up. It's going to continue heating up in the next 24 to 48 hours. Now, just in, sources tell Fox Business the SEC could begin notifying issuers of approval on Friday, with trading beginning as early as next week. So we could see trading next week, Monday or Tuesday. So the speculation continues. We're almost here at the end of the road to find out if the ETF is actually going to come out. The top losers are K, it's down 5%, Mina is down 4%, Mantle is down 3%, Toncoin is down 2.9%, and Maker is down 2.86%. It's not bad, it's not terrible, roughly between 5 and 2%. As you can see, massive green day today. Markets are pumping. It was a fake out, like I said in the previous episode, and the markets are green today and we're heading up higher. BTC price targets currently at $44,147. As I said in the previous episode, this was a liquidation event and people got liquidated and it was a fake out. We have just broken the pennant and we're heading up higher, trying to attack the next resistance line of 45,000. I think my next target still stands at 48,000. We're heading up higher in my opinion, and the ETF news is going to come out. Now, the speculation lies with whether this event is just buy the rumor, sell the news, or it's going to be buy the rumor and buy the news. So we're going to find out what happens next. My initial target is at 48,000. Then I think we're heading up higher to my last target at 60,000 US dollars. Ethereum price prediction. Just like I said in the last episode, we need to close above this line to continue the bullish uptrend, and we've closed above this line. We're going to close in literally the next 4 minutes. As long as we close above this line, the bullish trend continues. Right now, we're just consolidating around this mark and we're heading up higher in my opinion. The next resistance is at $2,500. BT dominance. I haven't spoken about BT dominance for a while now, and it's kissed this trend line and it's heading back down in my opinion. This was a year long trend line, as you can see. Let me show you on the weekly. So this is a year-long trend line, and what we've done, we've headed back to the scene of the crime, kissed this trend line, and I think we're heading back down lower to 48%. Ethereum BTC chart. This is the weekly chart. As you can see, we've gone back to the support line, retesting the support line, and it's pivotal that we bounce off this support line. If we break this support line, we're gonna, unfortunately, ETH is gonna bleed against BTC and head lower. So it's pivotal that we bounce on this line and go further. BTC futures CME. The next CME gap is at $53,000. We're just brushing against resistance, hitting against resistance. This is a bullish sign. As long as we consolidate above, just below resistance, this is actually a bullish sign. Solana price targets currently at $104.89. It's gone back into this range. We need to break this trend line. If we break this trend line, we can see higher prices. If it doesn't, we're gonna head back down to $85. Arbitrum price targets currently at $2. It's had a phenomenal run, and I think it's gonna carry on going higher. It's price discovery mode. So right now, the next target is at $2.35. I nibbled on some longs, and we'll see how that plays out. Cardano price targets currently at 57 cents. Right now, we've closed above this support line, which was pivotal, and it's at 54 cents. What we need to do is we need to close above this support, this resistance line at 57 cents. Once we do that, the next target, my next target is 64 cents. And then finally, we can break above 64 cents. Once that happens, my next target is at 88 cents. And then my final target is at $1.20. Mint layer currently at 62 cents. It's doing remarkably well at the moment, and it's probably the top gainer. It's probably top 5 top gainer at the market. It's outperforming the market at the moment, and no one's really talking about it, which is very bullish. Since my last episode, it's pumped a massive 21%. 21%. It's heading to my target of 66 cents. That's the next resistance, which might be difficult to break. So I don't think it's going to happen the very first time, but it's not highly unlikely. So what we're going to do is we're going to bounce off resistance and then smash through the resistance. What we need is a confirmation of volume to show that. Right now the volume looks decent, not as perfect as I want it to be, but it looks decent. Once mint layer confirms above 66 cents, then it's price discovery. My next target is at $1. My short-term target is at $1.06, and my medium-term target is at $1.70. If we don't break past 66 cents, then we'll have to consolidate, maybe head back down. Another entry, a good entry, if you're not already in, is at the 0.786 mark, which is 52 cents. If you want some more alpha, go to my research page where you can find more interesting research on different projects. Thank you very much for watching my show. Really appreciate it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification.